Princess Iseult of Ireland has to marry King Mark of Cornwall. On the way to Cornwall on the ship, her and her guardian Tristan mistakenly drink a magic potion that her mother has created for her and King Mark on their wedding night. Tristan and Iseult fall head over heels in love. They arrive in Cornwall and Iseult does marry King Mark, but her and Tristan realise that they can't live without one another and they escape to the woods. King Mark finds them there, but because he's kind-hearted, he forgives them. Tristan, because of his guilt, returns to Brittany, his homeland, and Iseult goes back to King Mark. Tristan is then injured and asks his friend to go and get Iseult so that he may see her before he dies. She does indeed return, but he's told she's not coming, and he dies. She then arrives and dies of a broken heart. King Mark allows the bodies to be buried together, and because of their love, a briar rose grows there.